Yeah, very nice, guys. This is Russell Carlos here, guys. So it's very, very happy and very happy. I can't say anything else in this beautiful nature in this season of autumn here at the Hakone at the Open Museum here, guys. It's so nice. Oh, thank you. Ayan. And also, guys, so that is the Osip Sadkline, so the Russian and French. That is the Van Gogh walking through the fields. That is it. And that is his. It's nice, guys. Diba? Oh, very amazing place and very historical. This is the really museum. That is why. So that is Shin Yamamoto, Japanese one. This is a ceramic tile, ceramic plate. That's gonna be. And that is it. Diba, guys, ganda. Wow, very nice. It's nice. Oh, you can go inside. So, you can go inside, but I think, what is it? Garden stars. The labyrinth. Oh, why not? And this is, what is this? This is a Japanese, that Choryo Sato, Japanese young woman. Well, it's nice. Japanese also. Huh? So this is the another one, Atsushi Imoto. That is the Rapture aluminum. It is work symbolize the chores of the contemporary society. Sculpt as a word expressing. Basahin nyo na lang po, guys. Ayan. And that is it. Oh. Alright, guys. Ang daming moment here. And this is also the another one. Diba, guys? This is the Italian Eva. This is Eva, the Italian guy. This is the women's, the Eva. So, like that, guys. Nice. That is the Sky Hole 84 Hakone. That is it. That is a Japanese. Bukichi Inoue. That is the explanation. I'm touching it. Detail touching.